Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into what could easily be dubbed as the best hiking boots for both winter and summer adventures. The Columbia Men's Crestwood Hiking Shoes.
Strap in, because we're about to embark on a journey through rugged terrains and unpredictable weather with these bad boys.
Crafted with Columbia's proprietary OmniTech technology,
these shoes provide unparalleled protection against the elements. They're waterproof yet breathable, ensuring your feet stay dry and comfortable no matter the conditions.
Whether you're trekking through snow-capped mountains or navigating muddy trails,
These shoes have got you covered.
but let's talk durability. Constructed with a combination of leather, mesh, and reinforced webbing upper, these shoes are built to last. And let's not forget about the tech-like cushioned midsole, providing superior comfort and support mile after mile. Plus, the OmniGrip traction rubber outsole offers unmatched stability on any terrain, from rocky paths to slippery slopes. Now, don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the quality, comfort, and value of these hiking shoes.
From their spot-on fit to their waterproof effectiveness, these shoes have earned the trust of outdoor enthusiasts worldwide. So, whether you're planning an epic winter expedition or a summer hiking getaway, look no further than the Columbia Men's Crestwood hiking shoes. With their unbeatable combination of performance, durability, and comfort, they truly stand out as the best choice for all your outdoor adventures. That wraps up today's review.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses.
Until next time, happy trails and happy adventuring.